Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to the channel. This is your man, Evil Dude. And today we will be bringing you an unboxing of the glorious Model O in pink. Yes, pink. Special colorway that they put out for a group buy. I just received it today, so I have not even opened it yet. Have not. Been waiting to do it for you guys. Came in the package today, and I'm loving it so far. Haven't even opened the box yet, but I love my other Model O that I use the crap out of. So this has got to be just as good, just a different color. So it still rocks the same Pixark PMW 3360 sensor, which has been great. I game on mine all the time and I love it to death. Weighing in at 67 grams, the Model O. Okay, you guys know all the specs. This thing has been out for a while. Let's just go into actually unboxing this thing. I've been waiting 2 months for this to come in, so I am super excited. Oh, you want to do it slow? Slow? Is that what we're gonna do? All right. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. There we go. Oh, she is a beauty. She is a beauty. I've been wanting the matte finish for a while, but when I picked mine up, they had none in stock, and I was not paying the $90 they wanted on Amazon for it. So, she's a thing of beauty. Ooh. All right, so that's the mouse. What else we got in the box? Set this up underneath. What we got here? Convenience and passionate. This is just welcoming us to the glorious Legion. And we get the same holographic sticker. Looks pretty cool. Looks pretty cool. And we get another one. This one also looks kind of cool. Kind of like the other one better. Looks like we just get some, yeah, welcome stuff. More welcome stuff. What we got here? Open. And I guess just some flyers on what else we can get. Cool. Cool. And what we got here? Oh, got a little information pamphlet. Quick start guide. Always good to have. So, a bunch of RGBs. But they didn't include it in pink. I kind of find that a little laxing. They should have made this special to match the new mouse. But anyway, I guess it saves them a few bucks, but not have to redo it. It's back in here. And we'll put that over there. But here is the star of the show, the new Model O. Got a big ass sticker here. Focus. There we go. Oh, it has a serial number and everything on it. Well, maybe I should show it to you guys. Anyway, that's mine. Comes with the white cable, very light, paracorded. Their new Asceni cables. Also comes with the G skates down at the bottom. Now you can just peel these. Pretty sure we peel these off. Am I right? Yep. Peel these off. You have the G skates at the bottom, which mine have been pretty worn as of late. So they have I've definitely gotten my use out of these. Definitely have. Man, DPI indicator on the bottom, just like normal. Nice matte finish though, man. It is just beautiful. Nice crisp clicks. All right, let's see what the RGB puke does when we pop it in. Yeah, just a rubber band holding it on. Okay, okay. Pretty sure I'm supposed to be taking this off, but I gotta do that just yet. So plug it in and see what the RGB does. Okay, so cool feature. This is what I have my other one set to. So it looks like it puts it onto the secondary when you do this. Ooh, that slides really nice. Let's get some of this out of the way. Oh yeah, that slides really nice. Really good. Really good. I mean, you guys know the Model O. If you don't, this is one of the lightest weight mouses that you can get at 67 grams. Granted, there are lighter ones, don't get me wrong. But this has been a tried and true with the honeycomb etched. So it comes with 4 default DPI, which is 400, 800, and 1600, and 3200. These are rated for 20 million clicks, has 6 buttons. Max DPI is 12,000. That's all you really need. That's really about it. They got the nice Model O guy chilling on the side. All right, just a little bit of branding right here. Come on, focus. There it is. Is it the same on the other one too? Let's see. Yeah, we got the Model O guy. Yeah, yeah. Same as before. As you can tell, this has been put through its paces. Still works great though. Still works great. No issues whatsoever. All right, so I'm going to be gaming with this for a while. Then I'm going to do another review on it. Saying how it's been feeling. But if it's anything like the other Model O, it's just going to be perfect. So on that note, don't forget, if you liked it, hit that big old thumbs up. If you feel like it, decide to go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell when you can see all the next videos we have coming out. I know we have a candy bar build coming up and a few other things. So I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you very much, and I enjoy. And for every like that this video gets, it does help the channel. So thank you very much. You guys enjoy the rest of your night, okay? Or day, or morning, depending on where you're at. Either way. Take care, guys.